In this tutorial, you will learn how to measure the strength of the hamstring of your patient with a flexion of 90 degrees in a prone position. In order to do this, you will need the K-push along with the twin handle. You will have to select the activity in the app with the K-push placed on the lower limb and select the correct exercise. Now you will connect your K-push. It is now connected, and since you will need both your hands to realize this test, set the tablet in front of you. You will start the test on the sensor. Place the patient with a knee flexion of 90 degrees, and in order to respect the reproducibility, make sure to take the same anatomical landmark, for instance the malleolus, to place the device. Here, with the K button, the test will start in 3 seconds. Go. Release. Now go to the other side. Still a flexion of 90 degrees. Take the same anatomical landmark to place the K-push in the same place. Go. The test is now over. The tracking record appears immediately with the maximal strength, the deficit, and the other settings of this exercise. This test can also be performed with different degrees of flexion, 90, like now, but also 45 or 30.